Min, you want to show everyone your new skill? Oh, well, that's good, but Min, you want to show everyone what you do with your new toy? Yeah? I was kind of thinking of this one. You want to show everyone with the magic you work? With that? No? Yeah, get to work, man. Good job. Would you like me to sweep? Okay. I'm going to sweep a little. Sweep, 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 sweep. Sweep your bed, sweep your bed. Sweep, 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 sweep. Sweep your bed, sweep your bed, sweep your bed. Samu. Okay, I'll trade you. I'll blackberry and you sweep. Yeah? Ah, my finger's stuck. Oh, perfect. Thank you. You want the dustpan too? Here. Woo! Excellent work, man. Excellent work. Sweeping and the Backstreet Boys might be the perfect Sunday. Good job, bud. Great job. I love the sweeping. Whoa. Through the leg sweeping? It's amazing. Hey, Min, can I have a high five for the great sweeping? High five? Yeah. Sweeping five. Yeah. Okay, say bye. Oh, it doubles as a hairbrush. Perfect. Bye. Bye. Come on, man, say it. Okay, bye-bye.